Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. We have Riverbend Tools report current asset of 480, current liabilities of 300. So the current ratio is 1.6, current assets divided by current liabilities. To restock for promotion, they purchased 60,000 of inventory on a 60-day credit terms. Considering this is the only transaction, what happened to net working capital and to the current ratio immediately afterward? Well, what is the net working capital? Net working capital is current assets minus current liabilities. So current assets minus current liabilities. And if we compute this ratio, we have 480 minus 300,000, it's 180. Now, if we add 60 to both, guess what? The net working capital is the same. So to answer the questions, net working capital is unchanged. B is one of these answers. Net working capital is unchanged. A is one of the answers. Net working capital increase, that's incorrect. Net working capital decrease, that's incorrect. So you're between A and B. So net working capital will not change. What happened to the current ratio? The current ratio was 1.6. Now we are going to add 60,000 to 480. So we're going to take 480 plus 60,000, and it means the current ratio will go up by 60,000. But remember, that's 540. You have to add the same amount to the liabilities. You have 3,000. Add to the liabilities 60,000. We have 360. Now we're going to take current assets, divide them by current liabilities. 540 divided by 360, and the ratio goes down to 1.5. So the current ratio decreases. Therefore, the answer is B. The answer is B. So be careful. They could also tell you you paid off a liability. It means current asset goes down by 60, current liabilities goes down by 60, and let's run it. See what would happen if the opposite was your current assets went down because you paid off the liability. So your cash goes down, your liabilities goes down. Let's see what would happen under those circumstances. 480 minus 60, your current assets becomes 420. And 460 minus 300 minus 60 is 240. Now we're going to look at 420 minus 240, and your current ratio goes up to 180. So the answer would be A. If the question is asking you, let's assume you paid off a liability. Your cash goes down, your account payable goes down, your risk profile goes up because now your current ratio did improve. So those are the type of questions that you have to be aware of and careful about, whether you are taking the CMA, CPA exam, or taking a finance or accounting course. What should you do now? Whether you are in accounting, finance, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself, invest in your career. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, stay safe, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.